First shot of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, look how good it is. Fucking twist it. See how beautiful it is.
Yeah, that shiny
Plastic
egg.
cheese, mate, that's good for you.
Plastic
Are you
cheese.
recording this muffin?
Yeah, he's gonna b-roll the out of that.
I love the shot.
Yeah.
Team Pandora, gonna Mackies. What's Matt said about him today?
Hey guys, Matt here from Pandora Car Alarms HQ. Today we're visiting our good friends at Evolve Automotive in Luton. We're going to be working on their brand new BMW M5 and their Mini Cooper GP3. These highly spec vehicles are only getting the best, so obviously we're fitting our brand new Elite V2 system with remote engine start. We'll show you the cars and we'll take you through the day. These cars are only getting the best, so obviously they're having the Elite V2 with remote engine start.
See that camera moving?
So the GP3 and the 1000 horsepower M5 are finished. They're now two of the most secure vehicles in the country, or better yet, the world. They've got Pandora's very best, the Elite V2 and remote engine start installed. And we're going to delve into exactly why this is the strongest alarm and immobiliser system on the market today. The Elite V2 system comes with what you'd expect. Now under the hood, there's not only the strongest alarm system on the planet, but there's actually dual shock sensors, motion sensors, internal sensors, and even 128-bit encryption. Now these sensors will protect your vehicle from a range of different circumstances, such as wheeljacking, pushing onto a low loader for instance, or even just general tampering. Now, alongside all of this, we've got real-time tracking. This means you can find out exactly where your vehicle is within 10 feet accuracy wherever you are in the world. If it moves, it will tell you. If the alarm's triggered, it will tell you because it comes with full phone notifications. As long as you've got phone network, you'll get calls, texts, and push notifications so you know exactly what's going on. If you need to, you can call up the system and immobilize the car while it's in motion and block out the tags. So even if a thief has broken into your home, found your tag, found your keys, and driven off, you can let them get a safe distance away and then kill the car. Now, what helps make the Pandora so secure is the 128-bit encryption that protects the Pandora tags, the mobile phone app, and your data. Now, what this means is essentially the codes expire. It's not static code, it's not rolling code technology. When I press the ARM command, it will send a code to the vehicle. If this isn't unencrypted and sent back to the alarm brain within milliseconds, the code expires, is deleted, and cannot be used against you. The Pandora system fully integrates with your factory alarm and immobiliser. We take nothing away, we just add additional security on top. And what's more is it completely integrates with the BMW system. As you can see, comfort access automatically disarms the system. Now, of course, we've fitted remote start to this M5. So there's a few different ways we can activate this. One is through the factory key. All we need to do is press the lock button 3 times. Now, as I've said, the Elite V2 is the highest specification security system in the world today. But even our entry-level system, such as the Mini BT, offers the most advanced technology and the smallest ever alarm brain for a vehicle available today. The Mini BT alarm system is the size of a USB stick, and the Elite isn't much bigger. Now, if you want more details, head to our website at www.pandoracarlarms.co.uk, where you can find more details on our systems or your local authorised installer. And thanks again for our friends at Evolve Automotive for having us down here today.